Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another Some Assemblage Required unboxing of the Advent calendar. This is day 11. I'm going to open it up, see what's in it, and then try to use it on a layout all today. So let's see what it is. Okay, so this piece I knew was in here because she sent me these after, and she even marked them what day because she wasn't finished making them when I got these. Because admittedly, I got these a little bit before everybody else so that I could start working on my videos because otherwise you wouldn't have any videos. So yeah, I had a little vacation over the Thanksgiving holiday, so I knew I was going to be gone, so I had to pre-do a few of them. Anyway, that is so pretty. I don't know, can you guys see that? The gold on it? Maybe I just need to open it up because it's so pretty. And the green is not like a solid green. It's kind of like got a bit of golden shimmer to it. Yeah, super pretty. It's a wax seal. It's going to be really pretty on a layout. And then, ooh, I've got these. Okay. Those are acrylic. Yeah, because this is one of my favorite acrylics that she has. It's called Linen, I believe, I think. So yeah, these are really thin, and they're little tabs that say wandering, outing, detour, excursion, sightseeing, seek, and roam. Those are cute. Okay. I'm going to put you on, well, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to come back with a bunch of supplies to create a layout. We'll see if I can get both on there. If I don't, I know I'll at least get these on there. I'm not sure if I'll get this on there today or not, because today is also Woodgrain and Winter, isn't it? Yes, it is Woodgrain and Winter Day. So I'm going to be documenting something wintry. I don't know if it'll have green in it or not. So yeah, let's see what I can do. I'll be back. Okay, so I am doing Woodgrain and Winter today. So I need a woodgrain, and I thought I'm going to go to my stencils. This is a Pear Tree Cut Files stencil, which is a fantastic stencil. I love this one. When you see the release or the reveal of what it created, I think you'll like it too. So I am using some Distress Oxide in Gathered Twig, and I am not going for full, like really dark coverage. I'm just going for light coverage. It doesn't have to even be such good coverage that there's going to be highs and lows of the lighter shades and darker shades. I don't want there to be any brush prints, but I don't mind if some spots are darker than others. And when I pull the stencil off, you'll see why. It's got these trees in it, and the trees are going to remain white, but the background is going to be colored, and I think it just lends itself to the fact that there are shadows. Now, I apologize that you're not seeing it very well there. I did not just like show it to you, but you're going to see it in a bit here. I am doing a double page layout today, so I am doing this twice. It doesn't take really a long time to do it with a brush. It probably would take a lot longer with an ink applicator foam tool, but the bigger the brush, the easier it would be. So that is what it looks like. I think it's stunning. It's perfect for wintry, snowy pictures because it gives you a very snowy feel to it. Now, I'm sure if you used paper that was a different color than white, like maybe, I don't know. I don't know what that would be, but you could probably have your trees be a different color than white. But I really love it, and I think it looks cool. It's great for these winter photos. These are scouting photos of my husband and my son on a snow trip with their troop back in the day. So these are old photos. I did cover up all the boys' faces because of privacy reasons. I have not talked to any of these kids and ages, and I don't have permission to share their photos, so I want to make sure that I respect that. And then I did not cover my husband's face. So I am going through my ephemera that is made up of, I think that is Moonlit Garden that I am pulling out now. I'm pulling out some bluey grays or gray blues. And then I do have some from the Serenity collection as well. And these are going to go really great with the photos because, first of all, the fire ring has a metal component to it that has that gray blue color. The snow is that cold, cool gray blue color. And really the only thing that's brown is, my husband's shirt. I think that this is going to go well. Everything kind of has a frosted feeling to it, I think. I guess that's the best way to describe it. I don't know. So this bin is definitely Serenity and Moonlit Garden combined because I only had a very little bit of Serenity. I never had any of the paper from that collection that I'm aware of. I just had a little bit of the ephemera. So I mixed the two because they're kind of in the same vein of colors, I guess, is the best way to describe it. And I'm liking how they're coming together. I love how the little acrylic tabs have come together on this layout. I think I have just left one tab that I'm not using that says sightseeing, because they're not actually sightseeing, they are sledding. I guess technically they're seeing sights in the forest there, wherever they're camping. I don't even know the name of where they're camping. That's something I'm gonna have to check with my husband. But I chose to use seek and roam. I mean, they're seeking adventure. They're roaming in the snow. They are, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of sayings that are just perfect for travel. And these were definitely travel photos. They are not anywhere near us. And they are definitely on an adventure. So I feel like these tabs worked. And they are the perfect color with that linen kind of texture on them with the white and the tan. So I'm going for it, and I think it looks good, and hopefully you do too. The tan actually also matches the wood that's in the fire pit. I just realized that. Anyway, I'm just creating, rather than normally when I do a double page layout, I like to span the middle of my 2 pages, like all the way across, and have it read as like one large page. But because of the way this stencil is, the design doesn't carry across in the middle. So I did it more like 2 separate pages that are together. I don't know. It's still a double page layout because it's all one event, but they don't meet in the middle, if that makes any sense, hopefully. Okay, I am leaving myself a little bit of journaling space because I know I'm going to have to ask my husband more about these photos, where they were at, and if it was, well, I don't think it was I think it was just their troop, because there's no other boys there in any of the photos. So I think it was just their troop that went camping in the snow. Sounds dreadful to me, but I know a lot of people do enjoy it. It's not my cup of tea. It's too cold. So as much as I like the fog, I don't want to be so cold that I can't get warm. But that top photo on the left-hand side is super pretty. It's got the I don't know if it's, I don't want to say river. It's got a creek coming down the middle with the trees on both sides and the snow, and I just think it's really pretty. And so I thought I'd definitely use that one. My title, I don't know exactly what it's going to be, but it's going to be something Friends. I am actually at a crop while I'm working on this, and I did not bring everything with me because, I don't have a U-Haul handy. Well, I do have a trailer, but, it's just a day crop. So I didn't take everything with me. So I didn't have a lot of other words to work with at the time. And I asked a friend of mine if she had any word or letter stickers or anything like that. And lo and behold, somebody had put a set of alpha stamps on the give and take table. So I'm going to use them. And actually, I ended up bringing them home. They're like the old school wooden stamps that you would get that look like a square, like a square when you put them all together, but they're all like the little, you'll see them. Anyway, you'll see them. If you've been in scrapbooking a while, you'll know what I'm talking about, and their age is like ancient. So, but they worked great for this purpose. And so I was like, you know what, score, that's awesome. I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and use them. And so my title ends up being Frozen Scouting Friends. I don't know if they were actually frozen, but it sounded great. So I think it works. I know, I'm being a little bit goofy today. I don't know why. Probably because it's late at night. I did pull out a couple of the little leafy bits and florally bits for this to kind of soften it up, but I didn't want to put too many flowers because it's winter, so I like those little stick looking ones that look like there's something growing there, but it's not like it's not really flourishing or flowering at the time. So there you see those wooden alpha stickers, and they're a great size. I think I had some of these before, but they were much smaller, so I think this is a really good size. And yeah, so I still have them. That's pretty much it, you guys. I wanted to remind you there are a bunch of people playing along with Woodgrain in Winter, or a few people at least. There is a playlist linked down below, so you can go and check out their channels and go check out what MK has done also. I hope that you enjoyed this video and saw a good way to use the tabs from today's advent calendar. I had fun using them, and I really love the way that they look on this layout, and I am so grateful to MK for putting this whole package together because I've really enjoyed it so far and can't wait to keep working with it. So come back and see me tomorrow. I'll have another video for you using whatever comes in tomorrow's advent calendar package, and hopefully that will provide you some inspiration in using it on your layouts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can leave questions or comments down below. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.